Hi, in this session we are going to see a command named copy that is used to copy one or more files from one location to another location, right? So let me show you uh, C drive. This is the C drive you can see, and here you can see the ls folder, right? There is a folder named ls. Inside this you can see two files named ls.txt and rs.txt. Two text files are there, and then I'm going to move this both the files ls and rs.txt files from ls folder to another folder named rs. You can see this rs, this folder, and I get into this rs folder. It doesn't have anything. All right, so I'm going to make a copy of ls and rs.txt file and in rs folder, right? That's it. So we are going to do this using command prompt. We are going to do this using copy command in command prompt, right? Now you can see rs folder. I get into rs C drive, then rs folder. It doesn't have anything, right? So I just move the cursor. It doesn't have anything. So after the command, we will see two files, ls.txt and then rs.txt, right? And now the files exist in ls.txt, rs.txt exist in ls folder, right? Here, and the command prompt I just give copy, copy, then I give the location, all right? I mean, whatever the files uh, that should be moved, that file name should be given, right? So the ls.txt file, that's the file, right? So it resides in C drive, ls folder dot backward slash ls dot txt. So that's the file name. That's the file I would like to copy from ls folder to another location, rs folder, right? So another location drive, and then rs folder, the folder name is rs. That's, I just give, I'm going to hit the enter key, right? I have given the copy command name, then I have given the whatever the file I would like to copy, the file name is given ls.txt. That is been given a full path, right? The file name is given as a full path. So this file name ls.txt, that file should be copied. So that file name is given here. So it resides in ls folder C drive, right? Then where I would like to copy, where I would like to make a copy of that ls.txt file. So I would like to make a copy of that file in C drive rs folder, right? So that location is given. I'm going to hit the enter key, and now you can see shows one file is copied, right? This ls.txt, which resides in ls folder C drive, that's been copied to the rs folder C drive, right? So let us check that. Let's check. Go to, now you can see we are in the C drive, ls folder. It does have two files, ls and rs. Right? Go to rs folder. Here you can find the you can see the ls.txt file. So it shows that ls.txt file has been copied from ls folder to rs folder. I open it, you can see the content. Just you can see the ls.txt. Then you can close this. What if I would like to copy all the files in a folder? So I do have two files in this folder. I would like to copy both the files this rs folder. In that scenario, what to do? Let me delete this ls.txt and delete this rs folder ls.txt. I've deleted. Now rs folder it is D, right? Let me here. What I do? I'm gonna copy more files from one location to another location. How do I do? For this, give the command copy, and then we need to copy all the files in a folder named ls, and we would like to make a copy from ls folder to rs folder, right? So I just give the copy command and then the ls folder path c drive s backward slash, then use the asterisk. Okay, so it's asterisk it is used to display, it represents the all the files, right? Asterisk dot the file extension, whatever the file txt file, so txt, and then C drive where you want to copy this, all those. So the location where we would like to copy, it is a command to copy the file, and then c colon ls dot ls backward slash c, it is a drive, and ls it is a folder, and within this folder all the text files we would like to copy, right? So just to represent all the text, we have given asterisk dot txt, right? So if you want to copy any other type of files, for example document, word document, then we need to give asterisk dot doc, right? So these are all the files. Now here txt files like to copy, where you want to paste it, where you want to make a copy, so that location should be given in that. So c drive, then backward slash, then rs folder, that's the folder name, right? Now we have given copy command, and then whatever the file, whatever the folder in a set of files resides in a folder that should be copied, that folder path is given along with the file extension, then where we need to make a copy, that folder name is, right? I'm going to hit the enter key. You can, before that let me show you this, we need to copy in the rs folder, right? So rs folder, here you can local disk C drive, and then rs folder, I get into this rs folder, doesn't have anything, right? I'm going to execute this command. After that you will two files, hit the enter key. Now you can see shows cls.ls C drive ls folder, ls.txt is the file name, and then colon ls folder rs.txt is the file name. Two files copied. So both the files listed above are copied from ls folder to rs folder, right? Now we are going to check it. C drive rs folder, C drive is here, rs folder is here, right? Okay, got into rs folder. Now you can see two files, ls.txt, rs.txt. So it resides, it got copied to this folder rs folder, right? ls.txt file is the ls.txt, then rs, rs dot, right? So it just so in this session you got to know a command named copy, that is used to copy command is copy copy a file or set of